Welcome to Scriptico. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful feature of Python, the Enumerate function. This handy tool can streamline your code and boost its readability. Let's explore how understanding and effectively using Enumerate can significantly enhance your programming efficiency. The Enumerate function in Python is designed to add a counter to an iterable, returning it as an enumerate object. This is especially beneficial when you need to loop through a list and keep track of the index of each item. Rather than maintaining a separate counter variable, you can leverage Enumerate to keep your code clean and Pythonic. Now, let's take a closer look at how to implement the Enumerate function in different scenarios. First up is a basic usage example with a list of colors. You can also specify a starting index for Enumerate. By default, it starts at 0, but you can easily change it by providing a second argument. Next, let's see how Enumerate works with dictionaries. Although it's often associated with lists, it can also be quite useful for other iterable types. While the Enumerate function is incredibly useful, it's essential to be aware of some common pitfalls. One common mistake is ignoring the option to set a custom start index. This feature can be particularly handy when your data naturally starts counting from 1 instead of 0. Another issue arises when developers overcomplicate their loops. Always assess whether using Enumerate is necessary. It should enhance your code's readability, not complicate it. Here are some best practices to follow. Use Enumerate when you need both the index and item in a loop. Remember to set the start index if required, and aim to keep your code simple and understandable. Now, let's take a look at some advanced use cases for the Enumerate function. One exciting application is using Enumerate within list comprehensions. This can help you build more complex data structures seamlessly. Another advanced usage involves nested loops, where Enumerate can help track indices at multiple levels. In this video, we've delved into the Python Enumerate function, covering essential concepts, practical examples, common pitfalls, and advanced applications. By mastering Enumerate, you can write cleaner and more efficient code. Remember to use it when you need both the index and item in a loop, and always prioritize simplicity and clarity in your coding practices.